Hey! Go! Go! What are you trying to do? Get in the front and drive it?
Can you say ice?
Go!
Not too excited. Calm down.
You're supposed to let go and run. Come on.
You need some help getting.
Come on, someone. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. I'm gonna push the button. Uh-oh.
Don't distract her with the phone.
Cats love to play. The cat.
Yeah. Where you going? Mr. One Hand. Oh, you doing a dance. Come on. Jump around.
Cats are from Asia and belong to the cat family. Tiger
Jump
cats.
around.
Don't turn on the light.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
This is a big gorilla. Gorillas are very smart animals. Gorillas are herbivores.
Hey, Samara. Where you going? Come on.
Dog.
You gonna dance?
This dog is
Go.
watching the little girl feed the cow.
Go.
Elephant.
A
Elephant.
little bit of support.
This is an African.
While you're walking by yourself, you're just holding onto your truck while you walk.
Asian elephants
Come on.
have smaller ears.
We're not with you.
Jump around. Jump around.
Wave.
Jump up and get down.
Michaela can wave her.
Can you wave your arms?
Boom.
Yeah, boom. Let it go. Wow, look at
Let's
you.
play some word games.
Big boy. Don't get in. Don't get in.
Now see.
Yeah, you gotta lift it up first. You need to.
He wants to lift it up.
Which word says hi?
Oh, because it's looking.
Yeah, you
Now
just
switch.
That's right.
Hi.
There you go.
Now look at the word wave. Now look at the word
I need this thing to be running.
wave.
I need this thing to be running for me to play with it.
There is the word baby.
Yeah, of course.
Baby.
Go over here. Come on.
Which word says mouth?
Go. Go over
Now.
here. Come here, Samara.
What is this?
This is the little dog. Now look at the word dog.
Think of
Dog.
do this a little bit every day. You'll
Yeah, it'll be fine.